We can't keep playing this game where the government is just so disconnected from the everyday living struggles of the Jamaican people.
Let's call it $2,000 a month. If you faithfully put away that $2,000 because it's something that you were not getting before, at the end of 3 years, you'll have a tidy sum that you could put down on a car, like a Probox that you have to drive to go to work, and you don't have to stand up in the sun or think about rain to get a vehicle to drive. So yeah,
$2,000 a month over 3 years, Minister. You think we can? And you think you can put out on a car with that?
Yeah, like a Probox. You can get a
20-year-old Probox.
Nice little car.
$72,000 can get you a nice little Probox. Hey, what's going on, guys? Mikey T here. Now, Andrew, when things go right, you get the credit. So when things go left, you have to take some of the blame as well. Fayetteville Williams, the financial minister of Jamaica, says that 72,000 Jamaican dollars, or 456 USD, saved up after 3 years. We won't even get into inflation and the instability of the Jamaican dollar. Is going to buy a car. Which car? How old is this car? Which bank is going to finance it? Will that car even still be there by the time the money is saved? 72,000 Jamaican dollars after 3 years isn't enough. You see, this is the reason why so many people have a deep hatred for politics in Jamaica. You guys are either disconnected and ignorant to Jamaica and the fight that everyday people go through, or you think we're all idiots and you can say whatever because there is no accountability and no consequences for your words and your actions and lack thereof. Government has to do better. It's that simple. We need better. We need to do better. Both sides of the government seem to be very disconnected from where the people are and what the people are going through. And that's not fair.